So what it means is based on the science of reincarnation. We nipa see it's a beautiful opportunity to live a lifestyle. You go back home, back to Godhead, where you don't need to go through all the troubles that we are going through here. Even though
yeah,
at times. So toilets we need toilets everywhere.
Yeah, no correct.
Say we can make a video. To young people say but the brand credit easier. Obet me video pesa.
This is preco.
The next life no. They are your preco no. Oh, only problem baby have it's very important because onyankopon ade bia or the my dey sombo pai ni pedue ekurayin. Yes. Among all the gifts that has been given to us by nature, no, the most precious, is human body.
Okay.
So it says you should take good care of it. To say a car, say I'll be to me for or mobile phone say I'll be for all these assets are a bre penno. Ningina say for. But what do we say? You can't get another one.
Baby.
And so it's very important. It's based on spiritual understanding of this human body, it's the most important thing. Your hierarchy, your 8,400,000 species of life.
8,400,000 species of life.
Yeah, and I shall say from the aquatics, from the plants, from the insect to the bears to the beast, then to the human being. The human species in 400,000.
Human species,
Yeah.
Adia moja wom.
Yes, I nipa.
Ye nipa no.
Ye nipa ne ye back 400. Different even 400,000.
Oh, different 400,000
human beings. Yeah.
Oh, sir.
So say you before ye any abro for your difference with.
No cry.
Abafro cry be me fite. Be me cry and ho brown be. E be cry yellow. Sa enu achi no. Wo he omom say do smart microphone na.
Yeah.
Enye ya de o. Sa no motie.
Oh.
Omo what dey
Sir.
Opa, now sir, I'm from said.
Akotia for no.
Omo ho dey say we na ahun say omo di asa wa you. I want to talk.
Me na want to say bi na omo di asa.
Dey say o. And I'm about to say, yeah, that's how they were born. That they were created. Until there was a species in so ho. Emoti aka ho. Eka human species no.
Emotia.
Yeah, dwarfs.
Yes.
Nipa short we make moti angasa another species no. Almost say
moti angasa
almost ka human species and so.
Woo.
Angels ka ho.
Okay.
Archangels ka ho. Demigods ka ho. Until 400,000 different bodies of the human species.
Whoa.
400,000. And soul no. And no one they go through all the 8 million bodies no.
Wow.
The same soul. So what it means is based on the science of reincarnation no. We nipa see it's a beautiful opportunity to live a lifestyle. You go back home, back to Godhead, where you don't need to go through all the troubles that we are going through here. But who abuse this body way now act like an animal. In your next life, nature will offer you a body that suits your interest.
Nature would offer you a body that suits
your interest and your admiration. Are they all pair or person or no? Nature be most our body no.
Wow.
But that's serious. And wow. There are some animals who have one thing. The soul in that body now is a animal no. Maybe in other previous lives no. Now it was a human being. Serious. But you be to see how better say say tell me analysis where I just want to be very open-minded. To see how the nipa did.
Sure.
Aboa so the fan say okrama na aponche so didi. Nipa da aponche so da. Nipa e defend no ho. Aponche e defend no ho. Sa no mo nyina ye no mo wan e be.
No cray.
They do it as like the human beings. The way nipa ni nipa chia wo mpam e sex no. Sa pepe no ho abonte se okrama be ma ne oba no so omo fro abonte wo sa. So practically no ade bi nipa ye bia and what's you be say, oh, bang monkeys in the crown, ahomete no. The old monkeys na. How they deal with their people, mama. Said your money, omo say nipa pe. The only difference in they say, omo body no a inferior body, a lower species, but the soul in that body no is the same thing that is in the body of the human being.
Really?
Yes. As you see, you'll be a sebi oye dam.
Yeah, be on
yeah. Untimin kasa. Ebi kura make on tiasem. But so kura human body we na. Unzo ye nipa, but no be a nipa ye no untimin. So I'm more they are unable to talk the way kasa no. But no be exactly the way bi omo ye bi. So utwa nipa unse ya.
Moja beba.
Utwa aboa ho a.
Moja beba.
Na all the living beings they go through 6 stages. Now I fade off. Yes. Omo take it birth.
Yawo.
Na wanyi kakra. Na wa stay kakra. Na wa produce one offspring. Na wa be old. Na wa wu.
Wow.
Every living being goes through this. You see, I can say nipa wu a. Obekona ni body ni bibia da ho a. Oye okay. Say you be a wada. Say yes, wu. Me wa.
No correct.
E ka say abo so wu a.
Sa pepe.
The same way nipa ni wu o ye no sa pepe na. Abo so dey nsi.
Sure.
Nti na e den na free nipa ni body ni mu a yesi wu no. E na say e okra no. Nti say okra ni free body ni mu no wu dia. Then abo no den na free ni mu a e say e ma ni wu no. Ebe ko dia say.
Matia se panti no emona ye mu omo so e omo ne nam ho no. Omo so mo soul a.
They have a soul. Is there anything the human being is doing abo an ngebi? No, yes.
Matia se.
Am for mo here na minim so bi betini bi aba. Is there anything the human being does? Abo anu ntimi nye bi ndi e be ka say enu nti e bi anipa wo so abo ani so. Yet here say the same soul in the human body is the same soul in the animal body, but the human body is more advanced to the point say we are able to express many things that be a one into me expressing that way. But still now no, the soul is still there in the animal body, and in all the 80 million no, lower species. It's all ma. There are about 900,000 different forms in the water body. In
the water body.
Maybe I whale, maybe I shark, maybe I tilapia. Bako 900,000 different one. You will near mako 1.1 different plant. So there were inside do you were beast in quite 4 billion. Beast is a more different about 4 million. Then now together were 8,400,000. So it's a human species, you know, and they have 400,000. The same soul in running through all the species. And until when the soul in the lower species, you know, gets a human body. That's when they're able to live a life a bit more projected back to the spiritual world. All the lower species, you know, there is no judgment for them. There's no judgment for Aponche. Or Kramer, there's no judgment. So, more on the say evolution. The man is so no our aquatic body. No, or my be or body for 2-3 years. Or 3 more or body way. I have been obeyed 7 years. Or 3 or way. Until no follow that on to say they will get to the peak. The peak is the human species. So the human species is not there because they will develop consciousness. You know, you better me decide say we want to live a lifestyle at the ever come back home back to Godhead, and I better degrade back into the lower species.
Wow.
So the Indian America say this our body is a very special vehicle. When we have this body, when the soul possesses this body, the soul is able to transcend material existence. Then the soul can go back home, back to Godhead. But if the body is not used properly, the soul must glide down and go back. The way any power will be able to say, "What did the body need there?" Just imagine we any power or no upper sex to say, you know. There be a set, there be a new and the pa a year and you may be anti nature so. Nature is very loving. On person will be a bad bread and a second of her. Do you any power getting a sex easy? At least a guy, you must be nice, you must have money, you be sure back or send a pair of penny, and so because I'm going to be a back or turn some and I know one big love for be answer. Where did you have me and answer to me like oh here dying? You need a house. Then what quiet here say air conditioning will die and pass him. Until here the difficulty you have to go through before you attain that level of sex and now open too much. Nature can give it to you on a silver platter. They say oh my cram body and a procodia. Oh no, but this is easy. You don't spend any money. You don't buy any, you know. You don't have to go and take an alcohol. You don't need to get bed. You don't have to pay her at the end of the day. No, it's that serious. You know,
it's very serious.
That's what I make it very, very serious. The idea behind our person, you know, more we are attached to them. In your next life, nature offers you that on a silver platter because nature is very loving. On person, you baby. Okay, see, people should be very careful with what they use their body for. Your body weighs a special vehicle.
Sure,
it's a vehicle like everything you transporting them back to our real existence is in the spiritual world. The same body in who abuse you glide down back to the ladder. Confirm. Because nipa we am nipa body but obi ho glotolious or did you rough baby obedi and on sabi there are people like that. There are people like omun sabi bm and
na we dey because yeah me play safo
obi sabi
la me pia obedi
to adio one say even though we nipa baby abedi no
yeah
at times so toys we need to toilet everywhere.
Yeah, no correct.
Say you can make a video. To young people say but the brand credit easier. Obet me video pesa.
This is preco.
Are you preco? The next live no. We are you preco na na mu. At the end there. Oh, only problem be have see the whole point we nipa no.
Yeah.
Unya adena person dey afena back on no all the spices dey go
yeah.
That kind of waste of time we so ja. But the crime is who say abo bi a
no.
So nature loves us. To who are they nature gives you that without the stress. I saw you can say yesterday. But I'm telling you, said this is the reality of life. You are sowing another body for your next life. Anyhow, who behave anyhow. You don't need a human body to be misbehaving. A body ever more to behave anyhow. Nature will make arrangements for the more. You walk around here. So what hospital die? You walk around child best 1 hour no. So I shall say oh soon. Na ma many de no for eto no numa. Oye den.
O twen.
When the child cry no kwan for twen for.
There maybe it's nyame.
See, people don't ask questions. The more we begin to ask questions, you know, the more we learn.
Tinana one a child cry no.
Yes. So this akra ketwa we na. Ya won be say 1 hour penny. Onim hwe obi amba no go school. But come there no when I catch it say onsu in the first place. Say come there no one you so no su here. I will tell you make it. Say people no chance a comedy me ma menyo so na enje say comedy. Obesu. So when a child kwa say comedy no onsu. Enye nipa nko an osu an say comedy no su emwa so comedy omusu. Now when a child kwa say ye de no for to wanuma. The enter metro say see in your life na ye born. And amon bi awutu bia no. Okay, very. Ayi adamu bi awutu bia no. Unso next body. You know, for now you out to here come to obewu no. Before you die no, now next body will be used no has already been prepared for you.
Kai.
Yes.
Hey, we nyame mwam yo, da mama ngodane preku.
I say we.
Nyame ngodane preku.
Yeah, I said we.
Yeah.
Meaning say baby, you know, a lot of people will get to understand this me here my link na my follow Facebook.
Oh, sir.
What they are two group okay, I had. The idea akora na ono I will be say 1 hour old baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, they no for to na numa. No wo jai suna no so no. Afo na twini se biam. Akora he okosia we. Me nje ndum say amanfo do do nya kwan ebisa kwati bi sei. Ye tie ne say wo wi ase no. Wa braba na obodi nyina na o prepare wo next body. So the day I obedi amato it means say so when you pure soul I will back to God header. That time that your body is ready. So now the space na obeko na waba no. There's a small space that obeko suya how to behave like the body you created in your previous life. This here I say we nipa now. But on some huna wudi ye nintino as I say on next life obeye preko. Nipa ensu preko na yesa. Ya wo preko bang a oye the space from hell because normally they say you bu aten no is either you go to hell or you go to heaven. and the encore that heaven hell in an eternal. Bible no among funkin can you do so you call heaven eternal. There's no way in the Bible because heaven eternal. Samson a hell so any eternal, me we have hona, and they may be same amount for NTS. Never say 1 year years or call hell for say maybe 100 years. Body now obey you so after hell no is already there. Yes. And I'm on a wood no pam or next body. Until before say Yabu atenwi oboni ewudi yente no hell koko di 50 years. And I could 100 years. Oko hell no koko do 100 years ni bia you have to come back. Ti say this world no your chance to come back and rectify our mistakes ahead your past life. So that's
the reincarnation.
The reincarnation, no. Tete follow me say nipa wu na na bra bana nso any year otimi kosamba bio. And it's a pure soul there you go back home you don't come back. Why you pure soul now you born na say ko hell ko di bia enfie oha 100 years ah. Owo now you go through punishment ni na now body now pam here no. E da wa twen.
Oba behim.
Nti hwade akodu 100 years ni na awie no. Before you be given that body now. You'll be sent to a place how to act like that body now. Until past life now we a human being. You'll be a nipa, but act as a boy. And until nobody will be was so the body of a pig in at all. Now no punishment and say go to hell, spend 100 years. After the 100 years, now you are coming back again to the earth, no. You have to go and pick our body now or pam to hono. So our body is on make one pam ni pa pam ni preko. Until no you are coming from a previous body and a human body. So there will be tendency for you to act like a human being in the body of a pig. So nature will take you to a school. How about to see how about act as a preko trek. This is your okay take that. And you have to man mammy. Now the toilet now because you have been forced to learn how to act like your current body. This is a very serious thing, and I will say everybody will understand. And akrabia all the babies, you know, so your human species are or behave with the nipa. So or your dog or behave with the dog, or your cat or behave with the cat. Krabia when the bucket of money I thought on your cramine. Time no see how to be acting like that. See, these are some of the serious facts. The world does not know. Because of this, we keep on misbehaving. Thinking so in your we are asa. Now I don't know say who and some say who are na atemu de bia bani nyame be nyane nyina. It is never like that.